Evening news, the headlines on All India Radio. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently interacting with Chief Executive Officer and expert of global oil and gas sector through video conferencing. Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Hardeep Singh Puri is also present there. This is the sixth such annual interaction which began in 2016 and marks the participation of global leaders in the oil and gas sector who deliberate upon key issues of the sector and explore potential areas of collaboration and investment with India. The broad theme of today's interaction is promotion of clean growth and sustainability. The interaction is focusing on areas like encouraging exploration and production in the hydrocarbon sector in India, energy independence and gas-based economy. Focus is also on areas like emission reduction through clean and energy efficient solution, green hydrogen economy, enhancement of biofuels production and waste to wealth creation. CEOs and experts from leading multinational corporation and top international organizations are participating in this exchange of ideas. World's largest vaccination drive, over 99 crore 12 lakh COVID vaccination doses have been administered in the country so far. A total of 40,623 new cases of COVID-19 were also reported in the last 24 hours. The recovery rate is currently at 98.15%, which is the highest since March last year. Over 19,400 people recovered in the last 24 hours, taking the total recoveries over 19,400 people recovered in the last 24 hours. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Kushinagar International Airport in Uttar Pradesh, says it will be his journey to the land of Lord Buddha. Government has political will to attack on corruption. Continuous improvement is carried out at administrative level, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India is fast approaching 100 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses milestone. Over 99 crore 12 lakh COVID vaccine doses administered so far. Death toll in rain-related incidents rises to 52 in Uttarakhand. Relief and rescue operations are in full swing. President Ram Nath Kovind to participate in century celebration of Bihar Legislative Assembly building tomorrow. As India is on the verge of vaccinating 100 crore people against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses and others who made this possible. At the same time, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID-19 is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated during the festival season. Please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear face mask, maintain 2 gaj ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 0112397846 and 1074. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated Kushinagar International Airport in Uttar Pradesh and laid the foundation stone of Rajkiya Medical College. Along with inaugurating and laid down the foundation of various development projects, the Prime Minister also attended a program held to mark the Abhidham Divas in the Mahaparinirvana Temple, in which eminent monks from Southeast Asian countries were also present. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the civil aviation sector in the country has seen an uptick in recent years. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the nation has taken a big step recently with regard to Air India. He said this will infuse new life in the aviation sector. The Prime Minister said India has also recently launched the Gati Shakti National Master Plan. He said this will enhance governance and would make the various infrastructure development sector like road and rail work with better coordination. Addressing the event held to mark the auspicious Abhidham Divas at Mahaparinirvana Temple in Kushinagar, the Prime Minister said